Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 6th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal with these videos, I thought about this last weekend. My goal is to teach you technical analysis so that you can learn enough to make your own decisions based on the research that you do yourself, and that you stop relying on other people to tell you when to buy and sell. You need to be independent. We all need to be independent and make our own decisions. So Palantir closed up 24 cents, almost 1% up at 24.68, all even numbers, as if that meant something. Post-market, we seem to be down 8 cents, not too bad. So basically, Palantir, if you remember last week, so Palantir had been trading into this channel going up and down, going through the channel, and then we had a little bit of a fall through from the channel. So it meant that this bullish trend ended. It does not necessarily mean that the stock is going down. It's just meaning that the rate at which the stock was going up is no longer valid. Maybe the stock is going to go sideways for a little while because we went up pretty high and pretty fast. So maybe the stock just needs a breather. So we drew this support at 24.30, which coincides with the top, this top here on April 27th. And guess what? The stock is considering the support. So last Friday we touched on 24.30. So the stock gave us some confirmation that it was respecting that support. And today we are just a little bit higher. So the stock is still considering that support. So it seems like we are going to just coast on that support for a while until we start maybe going back and forth again between 24.30 and 27. So we still have this 27th resistance that is in play. Of course, we have this 25.40 resistance that is also in play, and our support is 24.30. So anything above 24.30 we should not worry about. If the stock goes below 24.30, then I would start to worry, and then maybe the stock is just going down to $21, which was a support that we had in the past. So let's hope that this is not what is going to happen. We just want Palantir to stay above 24.30. If we look more deeply at this candle, we have a longer wick at the top and a shorter wick at the bottom. So basically what happened is that the stock tried to go up during the day, but then was smashed down and closed down. So if we go to the 1 hour chart to really understand that in more details, yeah. So basically this is the 9:30 candle, this big green candle. Size matters in technical analysis. So basically the stock wanted to go back up. So people are getting back into Palantir even though it went down. Or because it went down, they are saying, well, this is such a great price, let's go in. So nice green candle in the morning, and then the stock is just going sideways. But if you look here, the low of the day was 24.48, and during the day we did not, well, we closed higher. We did not reach that low. So this is a positive sign, in my opinion, that we are staying above 24.30. So I really like this green candle. In terms of the indicators, so stochastic, stochastic took a beating last week. It's at 30.54, so it's going back up a little bit. MACD took a beating, so this is why we have one pink reddish thumbs down. So this is because we crossed down, so we crossed negative, but the two lines of MACD are still positive. So one sign is not good and one sign is good. And in terms of the DMI is still positive, even though the two lines are getting closer. The green line, which indicates a bullish strength, is higher than the reddish line. So this is still a bull for us. So very happy to see Palantir above 24.30. Nothing to worry about until it crosses that. If it does, which we hope it won't. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. I read all your comments. Thank you for subscribing. I produce a Tesla and Palantir video every single day during the week, and then you will see them in your feed if you subscribe. We have a Patreon account if you care to encourage me financially. We have a Discord server if you want to discuss with other like-minded people, and we have a TradingView affiliate link if you're interested in the paid plan for TradingView. I'm going to wish you a great weekend, great evening. I'm not cutting this out. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.